final plate. Right here. Woo, she's smoking. Just got done welding these plates to here on both sides. And then we're gonna have a bar going across onto this plate right here, going all the way across to tie it. I didn't show all these just because I had to use a plasma. It was really dirty and it was pretty time consuming, so I just wanted to get it knocked out and then, you know, get it all welded up and then just show you guys like how where the diff should mount. You have to cut this piece out, and these are just tacked in right now, spot welds. You do have to cut out a piece of the wheel well, or not wheel well, but the spare tire area. So yeah, next we're gonna weld the bar going across. Alright guys, we're gonna jump into the future a little bit. I didn't show and film this, but I took the red trailing arms off of my spare shell, and this is the one that you're gonna see here right now. Alright, now that we stripped them, we gotta drill all these spot holes out and take this plate out. We're gonna do that to both of them. And these bushings are bad too, so I'm gonna have to replace those guys. Alright, so what I like to do is get a punch and a hammer and just center punch all these guys right here before you drill into them. Just that way. Oh, that one's kind of off. But that way your drill bit doesn't walk around. Looks about it. And I like to use this right here. It's called a drill mug. Bought it for like 80 bucks. And I haven't lost any bits yet, except for just, you know, I've broken these one. I mean, they're tiny, but other than that, they've lasted me like 2 years and I haven't lost any of them. What I like to do is start off with the pilot bit, small one. Alright, so I finally got it to kind of be a little bit more loose. I think I just got one more area, which is this guy over here, which was kind of hidden. Gotcha, bitch! Alright, now that we got the back piece off, which is this piece right here, now I have to drill a hole, 2.5-inch hole saw it out so that the axle can fit through it. Oh, I made this little template too, because this already has a hole, so you can't use a pilot bit to center it. So I built this template so that this would fit right in here and keep it centered. Alright, so now that we got that cut out, this is the piece that S1 belt provides so that you could put your bearings and spindle on here, or hub, and then Alright, so these actually come with the S1 belt do-it-yourself trailing arm. So what I did here was I kind of got it mocked up because it's such a contour shape. So I had to put these clamps and vice grips in place, but it's an okay fit. Not the best, but it is what it is. And I'm just gonna now grind all the paint off so that when I go and weld it, it'll be a little bit stronger. So I'll just put like a little 1/2-inch weld here, a little 1/2-inch weld there. You don't have to weld the whole thing. You actually might end up warping it, I don't know, but let's put little welds here and there. Yeah, we got all the spots that it's probably gonna get welded on, so now we're gonna wipe it down with some acetone on this one and the plate, then we'll go ahead and tack it in. I'm not a professional welder, but I think these are exceptional. I think they're alright. Oh well, on to the next side. Alright, now that I got the arms all welded up, I am gonna put the hub on, and you bolt it on from the back, 4 bolts, but they also recommend to weld around the arms too. So I marked my spots and I'm gonna grind around that area and then weld it up. Alright, now that we got that welded, we are waiting for the bushing to get in, and then I just gotta go do the other arm, same thing. But other than that, I'm gonna leave it here and then we'll probably come back to the next episode when I get those guys in. Thanks for watching, guys.